Hey guys, I was thinking, what do I want as a snack? And donuts sounded really good. So I decided to read this book. If you give a dog a donut. Let's see what happens. If you give a dog a donut. If you give a dog a donut, ask for some apple juice to go with it. When you give him the juice, he'll drink it all up. Then he'll ask for some more. There won't be any left, so he'll want to make his own. He'll go outside and pick some apples. When he's up in the tree, he'll toss you one. Throw the apple will make him think of baseball. He'll want to play. You'll have to get a ball and a glove. Of course, he'll always need a bat. He'll ask you to pitch. He'll hit a home run. Then he'll do a happy dance to celebrate. Oh, he's jumping. He's doing a cartwheel. He's jumping in the air and then he's doing a somersault. That's a pretty happy dance. Dancing will make him hot and dusty, so he'll need some water. He'll probably start a water fight. You'll have to dry him off with your bath bandana. He'll wrap it around his head and pretend he's a pirate. Then he'll want to go on a treasure hunt. He'll find an old kite and want to make one himself. You'll have to get him some sticks, paper, and string. When the kite is finished, you'll want to fly it. If you go higher and higher, until it gets tangled in the apple tree. The tree will remind him of apple juice, so he'll probably ask you for some. And chances are, if he asks you for some apple juice, he'll want a donut to go with it. So, I just wanted to say that we're missing you and go and have some fun outside. Go and do a happy dance with cartwheels and jumping in the air. Go play tag with your brothers and sisters, or you can knock on the neighbor's door and see if they want to play too. Have fun. I'll see you soon. Bye.